Hello, my dear students. Welcome back to English grammar class. Today, we are going to learn how to change direct speech into indirect, which is also called narration or reported speech. So, let's get started. Okay, first we will see what is a narration. Narration is an act of reporting the words of the speaker. Okay? Now, a person has said you something. Now, you will report it or say it to somebody. Okay, that is the act of reporting. You are reporting the words to the other person. Okay, what are you being told? That is narration. Okay, now it can be reported in two ways. That is direct speech or indirect speech. Now, let's see what is direct and indirect speech. Direct speech is the actual words of the speaker who is speaking. Okay, someone has said something to you and you are reporting the actual words of the speaker. That is the direct speech. Okay, means actual words are quoted and the speech is always enclosed in inverted commas. Alright, while in indirect speech, actual words are transformed and said in simple language or in your own words. Okay, and these are not enclosed in inverted commas. For example, you see, in direct speech, it is written, she said to me, comma, within quotation, I am playing. Okay, see, I am playing are the actual words of the speaker. That's why this has been kept within inverted comma. Alright, and said to will be reported verb. Okay, said is told as reported verb and I am playing is called reported speech. Okay, what is the actual speech? What is being told is reported speech. I am playing. So, you are quoting the actual words of the speaker. That's why it is called direct speech. Whereas, in indirect speech, you see, she said to me that she was playing. Okay? There is no inverted commas which you can find. Yes or no? Means it has been transformed into simple language or according to the speaker who is reporting. Okay, see here, you cannot find any inverted comma. Okay, then comma, instead of comma and quotation, we have used that. Yes or no? So, these are the two ways in which we can report, okay, the speech. We can report it in direct speech also or in indirect speech. Okay, we will learn the formulas and how to convert them. Now, things that you should know, okay, before converting, before changing direct speech into indirect speech. First is you have to find out the subject and object. Next is you have to find out the person, first person, second person and third person. And the third thing which is very important to know, that is the tense. Okay, tense of the reported speech. Alright, these are the three things you must see first. Alright, you already know about all these things, subject and object, first person, second person, third person, tense, very well. Let's have a quick recall. Okay, see here, Sazia said to John. Now, who is saying? Sazia. So, Sazia will be the subject. And to whom it is being told? John. So, John will be the object. Okay. Now, we will see the point of view. Means personal pronouns are, they stand for three persons. First person, second person and third person. Okay. First person is the person who is speaking. Okay. Second person is the person to whom we are speaking. Okay, to whom we are speaking. And third person is the person about whom we speak. Okay, about whom we speak. She or he may or may not be present at the time of the action. All right. Here in this picture you see first person is the boy. Okay, he is speaking to the second person, the girl. Okay, and they are speaking about whom? The third person who may not be present there. Okay, so the boy is speaking, the second girl is listening, and the third girl is being spoken about. Means they are talking about the third person. Am I clear? Now refer to this table and you will remember everything, because we earlier also in my videos which I uploaded, there I discussed about first person, second person and third person. You see first person, who is speaking? I, singular number, we, plural number. Okay, second person, to whom? You, I'm speaking, or singular also you, and this plural also, it will be you. All right. And third person will be he, she, about whom we are speaking. He, she, it, they. All right. Just go through the videos which I uploaded earlier and you will remember everything. All right. Or refer to this chart. Okay. And third is tenses. Tenses, you know, it shows us time at which the action is performed. Okay. Tenses are divided. There are three types of tenses: present, past and future. And these are further divided into simple, continuous, perfect and perfect continuous. Okay, altogether there are 12 tenses. All right, we already discussed this. Refer to that video and you will recall everything. All right. Okay, after seeing those tense, subject and object, okay, and first person, second person and third person, we will come to the changes we have to make when we convert direct speech into indirect. First is change of RV. RV means reported verb. Said to. Said to changes to told. Simply if said is there, it will remain said only. Say to changes to tell, and says to changes to tells. This is very important to remember. Okay, whenever you will convert direct to indirect speech, RV means reported verb must also be changed. Now we will come to the changes of the tenses. Okay, this is also very important. Tense of what? Reported speech. Okay, whenever you convert direct speech to indirect, always remember to change the tense. All right, pronoun is also changed and tense is also changed. I will talk about the pronouns later on. Okay, let's see how the tenses change. Simple present changes to simple past. Present continuous changes to past continuous. Present perfect changes to past perfect. Present perfect continuous changes to past perfect continuous. And in past tense, simple past changes to past perfect. Past continuous changes to past perfect continuous. Okay, and whenever past perfect continuous tense will be there, then there will be no change. Okay, you have to memorize this, the change of the tenses. You have to memorize. Okay, and future will, shall becomes would, should. Okay, and can, may, the models like can, may changes to could, can changes to could, and may changes to might. All right. And these changes occur when reported verb is in past tense. Remember, when the reported verb means said, said is in the past tense. When said will be there or said to will be there, only then we change this, we do the changes. Okay, if the reported verb is in the present tense, says, okay, or say to, then we don't change the tense of the verb. And when reported speech is not universal truth or habit. Okay, whenever reported speech will be universal truth or habit or facts, we don't change the tense. Okay, so things which you will have to remember while changing the tense: reported verb must be in past tense, and reported speech must not be universal truth, habits or facts. Only then you change the tenses from present to past. Okay. We also change the time. Okay, the words which show us time, we have to change those words also. Okay, means if things are near, okay, time which shows nearness, we have to change it into time words which show distance. Okay, here changes to there, tomorrow changes to the next day, today changes to that day, yesterday changes to the previous day, this changes to that, now changes to then, tonight changes to that night. Okay, whenever these words are there, you will have to change them. Alright, and if these words are not present, no need to do any changes. Okay, okay, see this chart? These are the golden rules, okay, 6 steps which you will have to remember while changing direct to indirect speech. First is identify. Identify the tense, okay, which tense is being used in the reported speech. Next is change of RV, means reported verb. I told you said to changes to told, said remains said. This I have already told you. Go through the video. Next, replace quotation, inverted comma with that. Instead of inverted comma, we use that. Next is change of pronoun. Change of pronoun I have not discussed till now. I will discuss in my after this. Okay. Next is change of tense. You'll have to change the tense. If the reported verb is in the past tense and the reported speech is not universal truth, facts or habits. Okay. And the last step is update time specific words. Time specific words we will have to update. Okay, the words which shows nearness, we have to show them in distance. Okay, these are the 6 steps you have to remember while changing direct speech to indirect. Okay, now let's see how the pronouns change. Okay, now see change of pronoun. First person, okay, first person means we are talking about the reported speech. If first person is used in reported speech like I, we, okay, so it will be changed according to the speaker, the subject who is speaking. All right. Second person, if a second person is there, it will change according to the object to whom it is being spoken. Second person means you, yours, whatever. It will change according to the object. And third person means he, she, it, they will not change. It will remain unchanged. Okay. Now things will be clear to you when I will show you examples. See the first example. She said to me, comma, within quotation, I am playing football with you now. So first what we will have to identify which is the subject, who is the speaker, she. To whom it is being spoken? Me. So me is the object. And in the reported speech, I is the first person, okay, and what is the tense we will have to see. Here tense is present continuous tense, am plus verb ing, okay, and then now is also there, means the word which show us time. All right, this must also be changed. Now let's see what will be the answer to this. You guess what will be the answer? Yes. So she said to will become told, okay, and we have to replace comma and quotation with that. All right, and here you see I is there, first person reported speech. I told it will be changed according to the subject, the speaker who is speaking, she. So I will become she, and you is the second person. You will change according to the object, means the person to whom it is spoken, means me. So I changes to she and you changes to me. Okay, and change of tense, am playing, it will become was playing, present continuous, past continuous, and change of time words will be now, now changes to then. So the final answer will be she told me. Remember, not she told to me. After told we don't write to or don't say to. So it will be she told me that she was playing football with me then. Full stop. Have you seen the changes? Inverted comma is removed. Instead of that is used. Said to has become told. okay, now has been changed to then, and tense present continuous has been changed to past continuous. Next example is they said, comma within quotation, we will plan a picnic tomorrow. Guess what will be the answer to this? Here, they is the subject, means the speaker, said is reported verb. Okay, and in reported speech you see we means first person plural number is used. It will be changed according to the subject, means the speaker. Okay, and will is there, will changes to would. All right, and the word which shows us time, tomorrow, is also there. It changes to the next day. So the final answer will be they said that, we will remove inverted comma and comma, they would plan a picnic the next day, full stop. Okay, now let's go to the next example. The teacher said to the students, comma, within quotation, the sun rises in the east. Okay, now you can guess here that the teacher is the subject, the speaker, said to is the reported verb, and the students is the object. Okay, and the reported speech here, the sun rises in the east, is universal truth, or it's a fact. All right. So the answer will be the teacher told the students, said to changes to told the students, we will remove comma and quotation, that, okay, the sun rises in the east. No changes here because it's universal truth. Okay, whenever universal truth, facts or habits are given, we don't change the tense. All right. You see the next example, he says to me, comma within quotation, I am running. Here subject is he, means the speaker. Reported verb is says in the present tense, and object is me, and within quotation, I am running. Here, as the reported verb is says, means in the present tense, we will not change the tense of the reported speech. We will just change the pronoun. Pronoun we will change, but we will not change the tense. Means the answer will be, he tells me that he, means he is the subject, okay, he is running. No change in the tense. I hope you all have understood. Okay, go through the video while solving the questions and exercises which I will be giving. All right, now we will revise once again what we have learned till now. A quick recap. Okay. So we have learned that narration is an act of reporting the words of speaker. There are two ways of reporting the speech, that is direct speech and indirect speech. In direct speech, actual words are quoted and it is enclosed in inverted commas, whereas in indirect speech, actual words are transformed, okay, and they are not enclosed in inverted commas. Things you should know, okay, the concept you should remember is, first you have to identify subject and object. Subject is the person who is speaking and the object is to whom the speaker is speaking. Okay, next you will have to identify the first person, second person and third person, okay, inside the reported speech. All right. And the third is identification of tense, which is very important because you know you have to change the tense, okay, even the pronouns also. All right. Now the next things which you will have to do is the 6 steps which you will have to remember while changing direct to indirect speech. Okay, identify, change of RB means reported verbs, said to becomes told, said remains said, okay, all this, see the chart. Then replace comma quotation with that. Change of pronoun. First person changes according to the speaker. Second person changes according to the object. Okay. And third person remains unchanged. And then change of tense when the RV is in past tense and reported speech is not universal or habits or facts. And next is update time specific words, okay, like tomorrow becomes the next day, today becomes the that day, okay, now changes to then, all this. I hope things are clear to you. Go through the video very well and then try to solve the assignments which will be given along with this video. Thank you.